Hi children. Now we are going to form plural by changing Y and we are going to add IES. We get the plural. It's a very interesting exercise. We are going to add IES. First you remove Y, add IES, and then to a word and you get a new plural form word. Let us look at our first picture and enjoy this exercise of forming a new word by adding IES after removing Y. Look at our first picture. See where we look. What is this? Yes, candy. You like sugar candy? Yes, you have one here and we have 4 here. So now, how do you spell candy? CANDY, candy. What do you do with this sugar candy? You lick, yes? You lick. CANDY, candy. Singular form, candy. When it becomes plural, 1 candy, 4 candies. How do we get? Change Y, take away Y, add IES. So from the Y, we took away, from the candy, we took away Y and we put in IES. 1 candy, 4 candies. CANDIES. Look at the spelling. Remove Y, add IES. Did you enjoy? Good. We'll do some more to practice forming plural, changing Y, adding IES. Okay? Good. Let's look at our next picture. What do we have here? Yummy. You love this fruit? Cherry. Yes. This is a lovely fruit and you have several of them here. How do you spell cherry? CHERRY. One cherry. 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 One cherry. Singular form. Cherry. Now we are going to do plural form. We take away Y, add IES. CHERR. Remove Y, we add IES to form the plural. Cherry, one cherry, several cherries. Cherry, singular, cherries, plural. Did you enjoy forming the plural by removing I, adding IES? Good. Let's look at another picture and form a word by removing Y, adding IES. What is this? Fly. Where do you find fly? Housefly is always at home when there is fruit or sugar on the table. What does the fly bring? It brings fever. You can get sick. Fly comes from outside and gets into your house. See that the flies are kept away. How do you spell fly? FLY, fly. One fly. Singular form, fly. Now we have 4 here. Now how do you form the plural? Fly. YFL. Remove Y. Add IES. So FLIES. Flies, plural form. Fly, flies. Fly, singular, flies, plural. We took away Y, added IES. 1 fly, 4 flies. Did you enjoy? Let's look at another picture. Look. Who is this? Lady. Is your mother a lady? Yes. Is your teacher a lady? Yes. Lady. And here you have 2 ladies. It's okay? Lady. 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 Yes? LADY. Lady. That is singular form. 1 lady. Now if we have more than 1, we change Y, add IES. LADIES. Ladies. 1 lady, 2 ladies. Singular form lady, plural form ladies. Are you enjoying? Good. Let's look at another picture and form a word by removing Y, adding IES. Look, who is this? Baby. There's one baby here and the two here. Now, spell baby. B-A-B-Y. Baby. And we have two here. So, singular form, baby. Plural form, we take away Y, add IES. B-A-B-I-E-S. Babies. Singular. Baby, plural. Babies. Baby, babies. Yes? Did you enjoy? Let's look at another picture. Then, let's form the plural by taking away the Y, adding IES. Who is this? Puppy. Puppy. And we have one here and we have four of them here. Spell puppy. P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy. A young one of a dog is called a puppy. P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy. Cute little puppy, isn't it? One puppy. And if there are four of them, how will you form the plural? Take away the Y, add IES. So, P-U-P-P-I-E-S. Puppies. Singular form puppy, plural puppies. One puppy, four puppies. Did you enjoy? Good. Let's look at another picture and form the plural. Look, what do we have here? Butterfly, and several of them here too. One butterfly. Spell butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. One blue butterfly. Now we have several of them. So we are going to form the plural. Take away Y, add I-E-S. So B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-I-E-S. One butterfly, several butterflies. Singular form butterfly, plural form butterflies. Are you learning? Good. Let's look at another picture. Look what we have here. Who is this? Bunny. We have one here and we have three of them cuddled away here. Spell bunny. B-U-N-N-Y. Bunny. Bunny. Yes? Now, singular, one bunny. Singular form is bunny. To form the plural, we take away the Y, add IES. So we say we have three bunnies. B-U-N-N-I-E-S. One bunny, three bunnies. Singular form bunny, plural form bunnies. Good. Let's look at another picture. See what we have here. Your favorite. You cuddle this when you go to bed. Teddy. We have one here and two here. Spell teddy. T-E-D-D-Y. Teddy. One teddy. Singular form teddy. Two teddies. We'll take away Y, add IES. T-E-D-D-I-E-S. Teddies. Singular form teddy, plural form teddies. One teddy, two teddies. Good. Shall we look at another picture? Good. Look here. What do we see here? Penny. What is penny? Kind of coin, money, penny. Here you have one penny. Gold penny. Spell penny. P-E-N-N-Y. Penny. One penny. And we have several of them. To form the plural, we take away Y, add I-E-S. P-E-N-N-I-E-S. You have one penny, singular. You have several pennies, plural. Penny, pennies, plural form.